Hey everyone and welcome back. In this video I've created my Android project from the scratch, but I just added our dependency to it. So the libraries I'm using are JSON library, WebRTC library, Dagger Hilt for dependency injection since I love it, Java WebSockets, and Glide to load our image. And don't forget to add these two plugins on app level and this line of code for Dagger Hills to your project level. And also I do use the view binding. So as usual, let's go to my layout and copy and paste my layout from my source that I've created before. Just copy and paste here, and nothing big deal. We do have two activity. One of them is login and the other one is main. Login has no big stuff going on here. There's only an edit text that you press a button that and logs in and sends the data to the main activity. Inside my main activity, they do have three actual layouts that holds state of my application. One of them is notification layout, which is here and it's gone at the beginning. If I remove this visibility situation, you'll see it. And there is a request layout, as you can see, is here and it's visible by default, and our sending and receiving layout to transfer the data to other peer. So let me add this. Add photo here. Okay, so we are good to go. So let's go back to our project structure. Let me first rename my activity to login activity and create my packages, which will be WebRTC utils. I'll pause the video and create the packages. Okay, so let's move this login activity to our UI activity and refactor it, and let's go to the login activity. Since we are doing nothing big here, let me copy and paste the code. First we need our view binding, then we have to declare it like this, and then use the enter button to create an intent and start activity to our main activity. But let's create our main activity here. Main activity, which will use app compat activity as the parent, and it will be Android entry point, and override on create method like this, private latent views of type activity main binding. I'll declare it like this, activity main binding dot inflate, and pass the layout inflator of my activity, and set content view to views dot root. So let's go to our manifest and add our activity, and the name is going to be main activity and export it to true. So we can see the error will be gone here. Let's create our application module to set up our heels app module, and also my application class, my application. I'll mark it as Heels Android app, and it will extend the application class. And let's go to manifest and set the name to my application, and inside my app module I'll mark it as module and install it inside my singleton singleton component class, and I'll provide two objects. One of them is context and the other one is JSON object. So before I forget, let's go to our main activity and receive our extra item in intent and check it. If it's null, then we want to return, since we need that username object. So let me create a private var username type string, which we will not initially, and inside my class I'll create a private function of init and get the username from intent, get string extra, get username key, and check if username still is null or empty, then we just want to finish this activity. So let's call it here and we are good to go. So let's move to the next video and create our socket client and make our application connect with the signaling server. Till the next video, see you everyone.